Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make beef rendang, a traditional Indonesian dish that's rich, flavorful, and perfect for a special occasion. This dish takes a bit of time to make, but trust me, the results are worth it. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the beef. Cut 2 pounds of beef chuck roast into bite-sized cubes and season with salt and pepper. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat and brown the beef in batches. Remove the beef from the pot and set aside. Step 2. Make the spice paste in a blender or food processor. Combine 6 shallots, 4 garlic cloves, 4 red chili peppers, seeds removed, 2-inch piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. Blend until a smooth paste forms. Step 3. Cook the spice paste. Add the spice paste to the pot and cook over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly, until the paste is fragrant and darkened in color. Step 4. Add coconut milk and beef. Add 2 cans of coconut milk to the pot and stir to combine. Add the browned beef back to the pot and bring to a simmer. Step 5. Simmer and reduce. Reduce the heat to low and let the beef simmer for 2 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally, until the beef is tender and the sauce has thickened and reduced. You may need to add a bit of water if the sauce gets too thick. Step 6. Finish and serve. When the beef is tender, add 2 kaffir lime leaves and 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste to the pot. Let the beef simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes until the flavors have melded together. Serve hot with steamed rice and garnish with chopped cilantro. And there you have it, beef rendang. This flavorful and aromatic dish is perfect for a special occasion or when you're craving something comforting and hearty. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.